Welcome everyone. I'm working on an expedition 2013. There is no air through the front ducts. Let's turn on the AC. The blower is not turning on. I will show you the easy way to check the blower motor circuit. So this is the blower processor, and this is the blower fan. Blower processor controls the blower fan. You have to disconnect the blower fan to see if the processor is good. The connector looks fine. Connect the test lamp to the blower fan connector. Turn the ignition switch on. Turn on the AC. Increase the blower speed. If the test lamp turns on and off with the blower speed, our processor is good and our blower is gone. And if it does not turn on, then we have an issue with the wiring or the processor. Don't forget to subscribe.